Beyond Meat, the company that once promised to change the world, quickly becoming one of the hottest stocks on Wall Street. But here we are, years later, and Beyond Meat is no longer the market darling it once was. So what really happened? Why did the hype disappear? And most importantly, is there still a future for Beyond Meat's stock? Let's take a clear, honest look at the rise, fall, and potential comeback of Beyond Meat. The rise of a food revolution. Back in the late 2010s, Beyond Meat was unstoppable. Plant-based meat was exploding. Supermarkets were expanding their vegan sections. Fast food chains partnered with Beyond for viral launches. And investors believed they were seeing the future of food. Beyond Meat IPO'd in 2019 and instantly became one of the biggest IPO success stories in decades. A company built on sustainability, innovation, and environmental impact suddenly looked like the next Tesla of food. Demand was high, retailers were excited, and investors couldn't get enough. But this story had a twist coming. The slowdown. Nobody expected. After the initial hype, things changed fast. Sales slowed. Costs stayed high. Competition exploded. Suddenly, every major food company was launching plant-based products. Tyson, Kellogg, Nestle, Impossible Foods, and dozens more. Supermarkets became crowded. Restaurants pulled back. Consumers realized plant-based meat wasn't always cheaper or healthier. And Beyond Meat struggled with declining revenue, profitability challenges, high operational costs, slower retail demand, brand fatigue. Wall Street went from calling it the future of protein to questioning if the company could survive long-term. The 2024-2025 reset. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of giving up, Beyond Meat went into survival mode. The company restructured, cut costs, shut down weak partnerships, and focused on improving product taste and nutrition, rebuilding retail relationships, making operations leaner, targeting global markets, strengthening production efficiency. 2025 became a year of stabilizing and rebuilding, not rapid growth, but controlled recovery. Beyond Meat is no longer trying to dominate the market. Instead, it's trying to become a sustainable business again. And that strategy may be working slowly. The risks investors need to understand. But let's be realistic. Beyond Meat still faces huge challenges. Demand volatility. Plant-based meat isn't growing like it used to. Competition everywhere. Big players with better distribution can squeeze Beyond Meat out. Profitability pressure. The company still struggles to produce at a low enough cost. Consumer perception. Many shoppers see plant-based meat as processed, which hurts demand. Brand fatigue. The hype phase is long over. Now it's about survival. These risks haven't gone away. Investors need to understand this isn't a quick turnaround story. So, is Beyond Meat stock a buy? Here's the truth. Beyond Meat is no longer a growth rocket. It's a rebuilding company, fighting to prove it still matters. If the company can stabilize revenue, improve margins, and strengthen key partnerships, then Beyond Meat could have a slow but meaningful recovery. But if competition continues to squeeze them, or if consumer demand for plant-based meat keeps falling, then the challenges may be too big to overcome. Today, the stock sits in a strange place, undervalued by some, risky to others, fascinating to everyone. Only time will tell if Beyond Meat becomes a comeback story or a warning for future hype stocks. What do you think? Is Beyond Meat preparing for a comeback? Or is this the end of the plant-based revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the most interesting companies in the market. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.